Hi developers. In this video, I am going to discuss about arithmetic operators that we have in Python. These are the same arithmetic operators that we have in our mathematics. So first I will create a new file, arithmetic.py. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to do our basic 4 mathematical operations. So I will print 5 plus 3. Okay, let's save and run. So I should get 8. Yeah, I'm getting 8. So now we'll do the math subtraction. Okay, 5 minus 3, 2. Correct. So third one is multiplication. So I'm getting 15. Correct. Finally, division. Okay, so all 4 are working fine. Now if you notice the division, the technically in Python we have 2 type of division operators. So first one is with single slash and with double slash. So it is a single slash which gives you floating point value. Okay, as a result you will get the quotient value as a floating point. But if you want as a whole integer, whole number, I don't want 1.66, I want whole number, then you have to give double slash. If I give double slash, let's see, the result is coming as a 1. So it will ignore all the floating point numbers. Okay, so next thing is finally we are going to discuss about modulus in the division section. What is a modulus? So here if I give modulus, the percentage sign, okay, then if I give the percentage 5% 3, it will give the remainder. Okay, it will give you the remainder of the division. So 5% 3, I am getting 2. So when I divide 5 divided by 3, I am getting remainder as a 2. Okay, so then what is the remaining thing is the exponent operator. So the exponent operator, it will raise the first operator to the power of second operator. For the first operator is 5. So I want to get the power of 5 to 3 times. So 5 the power of 3. So it will be same as like 5 asterisk 5 asterisk I have to do the 5 multiplication into 3 times. So when I do this, I'll remove this comment part. If I run, I'm getting 125. So if I give the 5 the power of 2, I'm getting 25. So okay, this is called exponent operator. Hope this video is useful for you. So stay connected for more technical videos. Thank you. Bye.